This video reviews the StairMaster HIIT rower and display console assembly procedure. Unpacking. Carefully remove all packaging materials and lay all parts out in a clean, open area to prepare for assembly. Step 1. Place the short forward support onto the front stabilizer and then place the long forward support on top. Use a 4mm Allen key to secure both supports to the front stabilizer using 4 M6 by 20mm button head cap screws. Torque the fasteners to 7 foot-pounds. Step 2. Use a 4mm Allen key to secure the front support assembly built in Step 1 to the underside of the front half of the HIIT rower using 4 M6 by 20mm button head cap screws. Torque the fasteners to 7 foot-pounds. Ensure that the transport wheels are facing the front of the unit. Step 3. Bring the halves together with the connection points elevated upwards. Then push the lower hinge receiver onto the hinged spacer, ensuring the spacer is fully seated onto the lower receiver. Caution: the seat can move freely during this step. Step 4. Bring the ends upward so the lower receiver rotates downward on the hinge spacer until the center latch locks completely. Note: do not use force. When properly aligned, there should be no resistance. Step 5. Carefully stand the rower upright, then install the pedal spacer between the footrests. Use a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench to secure the socket head cap screw, washers, and M8 nylock nut. Caution: the seat can move freely during this step. Step 6. Install 2C batteries into the console. Secure the console to the display weldment using 4 M5 by 10mm pan head screws, and then plug the data cable in. Step 7. Test the unit for functionality and smooth motion.